and I'm 11 years old. I'm the founder of 10xforthekids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So without any delay, let's get started. And now today we are gonna learn about the NPM package manager. So NPM package manager, this topic is very interesting, and today we are gonna learn exactly how to install packages and how to use them in node.js. So this is gonna be very fun, and without any delay, let's get started. Dab! So today what we are gonna basically learn, we are gonna learn how to download packages using the npm package manager, and then we'll learn how to use that downloaded package. Okay, so what is basically npm? Npm is a package manager for node.js packages or modules, if you like. You can say them modules or packages, they are one of the same things. www.npmjs.com hosts thousands of free packages to download and use. So like this npmjs.com, basically this website over here, this website hosts thousands of free packages. So it has thousands of free packages that we can download and use. So the npm program is installed on your computer when you install node.js. So this npm program is installed on your computer when you install node.js. So basically you don't need to install npm separately. It is installed when you install node.js only, and you can directly just like use npm uh, to install your packages. You don't need to do any installation of npm. Okay, and if you want to know how you can add your own packages in npm and host them in npm and allow other users to download your own package, comment down below if you want to have a video in which I teach how to make your own npm package that other users can also download and use. This, it will be very fun, so comment down below if you want that video. Okay, so let's continue. npm is already ready to run on your computer, so you don't need to do any installations for npm. You just directly can use it, because whenever you download node.js, npm will be downloaded with it. So what is a package? Let's just learn some basics. What exactly is a package? A package in node.js contains all the files you need for a module. So a package basically has all your files that you will use. So like all, it contains all the files you need for a module. Okay, like modules are javascript libraries you can include in your project. So modules are basically the javascript libraries you can include in your project. Okay, so a package is basically a node.js. It contains all the files you need for a module. So like you install any module h, like um for example, you can say any module like formidable. Okay, so it is a package basically, and it has certain files you need for a module. Okay, so you will need certain files that you're gonna use in it. So basically a package in node.js contains all the files you need for a module. Like formidable package contains all the files we need to use that formidable module. Okay, so download a package. How can you download a package? Downloading a package is very easy. It is very easy. Open the command line interface and tell npm to download the package you want. Okay, I want to download a package called uppercase. So how can you download it? Just write npm, okay, then install, and then your package name. So it will install that package name into your computer, and it will be a really quick process. It will not take like a minute also. It will not take about 5 seconds also. So let's try it out. For example, we also want to install the uppercase module. Let's do that. So we'll just write npm install, and then we'll write uppercase. And now npm is installing the uppercase module for us. Okay, and you see it was so fast. Like it took 2.82 seconds to install this uppercase package. That was quite fast. That was very fast. Okay, so now we have downloaded an npm package and we have learned how to download a npm package. Now we are gonna learn how to use it. Okay, so now you have downloaded and installed your first package. So now you have downloaded your first package. You maybe you must have downloaded some other packages, but we'll say it's your first package. npm creates a folder named node modules. So npm will create a folder named node underscore modules. Okay, where the package will be placed. So in which there will be a package, the package we have installed. All packages you install in the future will be placed in this folder. So any other package you install in the future will be placed in this package only. My project now has a folder structure like this. So basically this is the folder structure. So my project now has a folder structure like this. So like basically C uses my name, and then there's a node modules folder, and there's a uppercase. Let's see if it is in a home directory only, that uppercase module. Where's my Dropbox? No, I okay, so we can't find it right now. Okay, no worries, we have installed it. Okay, so it is somewhere in a node modules folder. Okay, so using a package, how can you use a package now? Once the package is installed, it is ready to be used. Include the uppercase package the same way you include any other module. So you know how to include a module in node.js. So that's how we will include the uppercase package also. So let's go to Visual Studio Code. This is all our oh sorry about this sorry. I was just working on a silly project, but it was it is cool. So just let's go to a finder. Let's go to documents, and here we had a node folder. So let's open this folder in VS Code. So it is opening documents, and then node open. It's now opened, and now we'll create a new file, npm. Let's name it npm.js, and in this let's import our uppercase module. Let's name it uc equals to require uppercase. Okay, and we'll save this. We'll just run this file using node command node npm.js, and there are no import issues. That shows that our package was successfully installed. Now we can create a node.js file that will convert the output hello world into uppercase letters. So this name of this npm module only suggests what it does. It basically converts text to uppercase format. So what we are gonna do, we are quickly importing our HTTP module through which we are gonna create our HTTP server. Okay. Then we'll just create a server using HTTP that create server function, and in this we will have a request and a response, and we will listen on the port 5000. Okay. So if you don't know how to create a HTTP server, do check creating a HTTP server in Node.js video of mine. Okay. So it will be a great help for you. The name of the video is creating an HTTP server in Node.js. Okay, so do check that video out. Okay, so now we have a HTTP server, and now we'll just write a head, and we'll give it success, and we'll give its content type. Oh, not tab 9. Type 2 text slash HTML. Okay, and then we'll just write. What should we write? Let's see. We'll just gonna write UC dot uppercase. So UC, the uppercase module, has a uppercase function, and we'll just pass it whatever text we need to convert into uppercase. So like we'll just write hello world in small to convert it in uppercase format, and then we'll just end the response, and that was it. You can just import an npm module and then use its functions in your file, and that was it. This is how you use an npm module. So let's run this, and we are going to our localhost. So we are going to localhost 5000. We go over here, and you see in all capital hello world is written. So this is very cool. Okay, you could have used the two uppercase method of JavaScript, but just this is just demonstration of the uppercase module and how to use it. It's not such a great module, but yeah, it's just to make you learn, make you understand how to use a npm module, how to install a npm module. In the future, now you know how to install any npm module you want to use, and then you can just use its functions. If you don't know its functions, this Google, man. Google literally has everything. And if Google is not serving your needs, go to Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow is really cool. Stack Overflow, in Stack Overflow you will find everything. Like there are almost answers of every question of yours. Okay, so save the code above in a file called demo uppercase.js. So we named it npm.js, but you could have named this also, demo uppercase.js, and initiate the file. So just initiate the file, run the file. So if you have followed the same steps on your computer, you will see the same result as example this. Okay, so this was it, guys. I hope you liked how to create a npm module. So like how to download an npm module in node.js, and then how to use it. I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Comment down below if you want to learn how to create your own npm module, and I will surely make a video of that also. I'll just have a quick recap of what we learned today. What is npm? So we learned what is npm. Basically, it is a package manager for node.js. What is a package? A package is in node.js basically contains all the files you need for a module, and then you can use those files. So basically a package has all the files that you need to use a module, and then you can use it by some methods that are in that module. Okay, So then you can download a package, basically npm install, we all know, and then you can use it. It's like just import it and use its functions. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Dab.